Today I'm going to be sharing a recipe full of lemony, garlicky, creamy goodness. So stay tuned. Hi everyone, Pam here from Creative Homescaping. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, I post several videos a week on how to creatively manage and decorate your home. This month I am doing everything with a lemon theme just about. And so for part of it, I am coming up with some lemon themed recipes that I use in my house, but I hope you will try in yours as well. The one I'm doing today is a lemon pesto cream sauce that you can use for vegetables, protein. You can use it over pasta, over rice. I don't eat pasta or rice, but I am going to be using it over cauliflower rice. So why don't you stay tuned and see what I did.
For this recipe, you'll need 1.5 cups of cream, 8 tablespoons of butter, a couple of tablespoons of olive oil, 1/3 cup of lemon juice, about 5 or 6 minced garlic cloves, 1/4 of an onion minced, 1/2 cup of Parmesan cheese, 2 to 3 tablespoons of pesto sauce, 4 to 6 slices of bacon crumbled or an equivalent amount of already crumbled bacon bits. Since I'm using the pre-made bacon bits, I do not need to cook the bacon. So the first thing I'm going to do is melt the butter and some olive oil together in a pan. You use the olive oil with the butter to prevent the butter from burning. Once the butter is all melted, then I am going to saute the onion, which I'm going to bring over here, the onion and the garlic, and I'm actually going to add chicken and mushroom to my lemon pesto cream sauce. So I'm going to be cooking the mushrooms also at that same time. So I am sauteing this over a medium to medium high heat. I'll show you the flame. Now that the onions have cooked down and are translucent and the mushrooms have also cooked down a bit, I am going to be adding in the lemon juice and the cream and turning down the heat to a medium-low so that it will simmer for a little bit. So now I'm going to let this simmer for a few minutes so it condenses down a bit. Then I will add in my bacon bits and my Parmesan cheese, pesto, and the chicken. You could put anything in this sauce. You could keep it vegetarian, or you could put it on seafood. Fish would be good, whatever you like. Here's how it looks with the sauce reduced and the chicken added in, as well as the pesto. And we are going to be serving this over some cauliflower rice, but you could also put it over pasta or eat it like it is all by itself. And here's a look at the finished dish.
I hope you enjoyed coming along as I made the lemon pesto cream sauce for my dinner. And if you did, why don't you give me a thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below if you think you'll try the recipe or if you make something similar in your own household. And if you are new to my channel and you like this video, why don't you subscribe by clicking on the icon in the corner of the video or the subscribe button in the description down below. I've really been enjoying putting together these lemon recipes this month. I just adore lemons, and although I don't have that many ripe on my lemon tree right now, I'm sure I will be making these recipes again in the coming weeks as my lemons do get more ripe. I hope you'll all come back and join me next time for another lemon recipe, and also check out my lemon decor series and my lemon planner series if you are into lemons this month too. Take care everyone, and I hope to see you all next time. Bye bye.